But without much ado, I think, Sunny, you can introduce yourself and you can start the show. And then please use the chat, as I said, and let's start rolling the webinar. Please, Sunny.
Hi, everybody. Sanni Remonen from ITS Finland. Been organizing these Nordic Plus pavilions for, I think, 4 years now as a person from ITS Finland, but still been attending to the ITS congresses both in Europe and these World Congresses for, I think, 8 years. So it's exciting to be back in Dubai, and I'm really glad that we have so many people joining us. I think from the Nordics, Baltics, and the Netherlands, we are bringing more than 100 people with us to the Congress. So that's a really big amount. Okay, let's get to it. If you, Jenny, can change the slide a bit. Yeah, well, the 30th ITS World Congress, maybe not going into details about this, you should know the drill. Here I have gathered all of our 30 plus partners logos. As you can see, there are quite many of us, but you'll get to know these organizations a bit better later on in this webinar, since you'll get to pitch your one-pagers. So Jenny, please, let's move on. So I was in this webinar, I was supposed to maybe give you a tour around the pavilion, and here we have the latest pictures of the pavilion, how it's gonna look. And here I want to highlight now, in this angle you can see that the there is a area for those of you who have the Product Plus partnership on the pavilion with either your product or a dedicated screen for you. So that's gonna be there. And then on this side of the central pylon here, we have the info desk where at all times we should have at least one person from an ITS association present to answer questions. There will be visitors asking, I have a meeting with this and this, so we'll try to help these people, and of course serve coffee, since that's always a popular attraction of the Nordic Plus pavilion. In this central pylon, we will have room for yeah, I'm showing here with my my own mouse, but of course you cannot see it. So thank you, Jenny, for helping me. Yeah, in any case, the central pylon is gonna be or is a storage room. During nights it will be locked, but during days it won't. And but I would say I've been asked if it's possible to bring your laptops to the pavilion. Yes, it is, and it's also recommended. And this storage room is a place where you can put them aside during the day. The door won't be locked, but there should be at all times somebody close here, and so that wouldn't be too bad. One mention about this, let's when we are in the pavilion and you bring your stuff, please keep it to minimum still, even though there is a storage. So if you have like bigger, you'll have to bring your suitcase or whatever, please use then the actual cloakrooms of the Congress Center rather than this small one, because otherwise it will be too packed. In this area, if Jenny, you maybe take the next one. Yeah, so here you can also see your logos. And in the pavilion, we have in total of 4 screens scattered around this central storage room, where you can plug in your laptops if you want to have a meeting and showcase your services or products or any other materials. Otherwise, when your computers aren't plugged in this, we'll have the one-pagers and videos that you have sent us rotating on the screens. And here is the on the most left side is the presentation area, which will be in active use throughout the Congress. But Alex will go through actually the program later on, but this will be kind of the focal point of the pavilion during the Congress. Okay, let's move forward. Yeah, a couple of words about the pitching. The length of the pitch will be 5 minutes. Try to keep it within 5 minutes. You've got in total of 7 minutes, but please save some time during your pitch for questions from the audience. So 5 minutes, maybe 4 to 5 slides is kind of a good rule for you once you're preparing your presentations. The pitching materials. We are asking the pitching materials by Monday 16th, so the first day of the Congress, or at the latest 1 day prior to your own pitching. So if you have a pitching session on Wednesday, please send your materials to myself and Alex on Tuesday by noon. So that would be it, because we will be gathering these presentations in the presenting laptop. And yeah, please also note that we would like to have the presentation materials in PowerPoint. If you have large PowerPoint files, you can use WeTransfer or other services to share those with us. And we will be arranging the pitching materials in the presenting computer in advance, and we would hope that during the pitching session everything goes smoothly, so we don't have to take time for changing the presentations. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, branding and visibility. Just want to remind everybody of the one-pagers, and if you haven't sent one, please do so. This is really a platform for you to build your own experience. And why we are always talking about these like one-pager, like why we are kind of, at least I am nagging about them to the Finns, but what we are using them for is, for example, when we are planning the pavilion visits, we've been asked by ITS Korea, I believe it was, if we wanted to visit their event. And actually, instead of visiting their event, we have suggested that they would visit our pavilion. Other parties that we are reaching out are ITS UK, ITS America, possibly ITS Canada. And but if you have any wishes or suggestions, now is the time to let us know and speak up. Please go check out the pavilion, not the pavilion, but the exhibition floor plan, where you can see what other countries are there. And why I'm always saying about these one-pagers, we can, first of all, when we reach out to these parties who we'd like to arrange a visit with, we can already say that these are the companies joining us. And then once these visits happen, we will use the one-pagers to kind of facilitate the introduction. So to do this pitching during the visits. So that's why they are important. And yeah, please let us know if there are any things that you or parties that you want us to contact for visit. Quick word about the Congress app. It can be downloaded, and through the app you can reach out delegates, exhibitors, visitors. Please utilize it to arrange meetings for yourself. And you can there also check out the kind of whole Congress program. Okay, that's it about the app. Yeah, and for my portion for now. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanni. Sanni had a good point she said in the beginning of her introduction that this is something that we've done together for a long time. Nordic Plus was formed because of each of the ITS organizations in the Nordic region is very small on its own. We're also invited this year Connect to be part of Nordic Plus. So we need to rethink the name probably at some point. But it all ends up to that together we are quite... Together, we have a bigger force of actually making an impact on the mobility sector, and that's why we've joined forces with several actors, if you're wondering why. I'm just going to very briefly let you know that ITS World Congress this year take place at the Dubai World Trade Center. And you can see the opening hours there, just for information. Sanni mentioned something about the cloakroom, but unfortunately, there is no cloakroom at the World Trade Center due to security reasons. There was an information recently on the websites to ITS World Congress. So everything has to be left at the hotel for luggages as such, just for information. Most of us live at the Sheraton Grand Hotel, which is very close by. Now, people have said to me that it's 40 degrees, Jenny. Nobody wants to walk for a kilometer or so. But for our Nordics, for us Nordics, with the rain starting and the autumn starting, it might be quite a nice change. So any questions regarding anything about the venue, don't hesitate to reach out. Sanni, I will give the word back to you because you wanted to talk about the Nordic Plus night. For your information, before I go further to Sanni, is that the pitching sessions that Sanni was talking about is for all our partners that are participating at the pavilion. This is a way of showcasing, as Sanni said, their products and services, but also the kind of the full scale of possibilities within the mobility sector within Nordic, Baltic, and the Netherlands region. Sanni.
Thank you, Jenny. So about the Nordic night, it's going to be on Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. But please note that at 7 p.m. The yacht in the picture will be leaving. So there are other schedules that you have to kind of follow. So this year we have booked a Stardom super yacht, which will take us around the Dubai shores, where we get a beautiful city view from the seaside. The event is fully booked. We have taken in a queue of people that would like to join and are waiting for a place to be opened. So this is kind of your reminder if you have signed up for the event and maybe you have a meeting, another dinner, or something like that booked for the Tuesday night as well. Please let us know so that we can free the spot to a person who wants to attend. In the agenda on the night, there will be a short kind of speeches, like very short and otherwise focused on networking. A couple of practical information about the evening. So we have arranged a bus transfer to the harbor, and this bus will leave at 5:50 p.m. From the Sheraton Grand Hotel Dubai, which is the hotel that most of us are staying in. At 7 p.m. the yacht leaves, and please do not miss this time. So the buses will be there in advance, well before 7 p.m. So that will be in time. Dress code, smart casual. So let's you can leave like men. You can leave your suits at the hotel and change for khakis, whatever light pants you have, and casual shirt. And ladies, for us, it's easier with the dresses. But no need to wear suits in this one, so no business attire. Please note that all types of footwear will be removed, so we will be walking either barefoot or with socks on the yacht. So be prepared for that. You will need to bring your passport on board. So please make sure that you have your passport, and it's specifically for citizens outside of UAE is specifically needed to be passport. So no other identification types are valid. And yeah, so bring it to get in the yacht. But I think that's the most important information, and I don't want to scare you with this kind of that you will have to remember this. This night will be amazing. It will be really beautiful. It will be really a once in a lifetime experience, I hope, for us attending. So it's gonna be really an amazing night, and at least I look forward to it really much.
Thank you, Sunny, and thank you for the clothing tips. And also, if you don't remember much, remember pedicure and no holes on your socks, and you're good to go. Excellent. We'll obviously inform about this when you're there. We also have an intensive schedule, as you saw, because we have this stage on the pavilion where we have this pitching sessions, but there will also be space for other sessions as well. With us, we have Alex. If you give a short introduction of yourself and also a little bit about the program. Welcome, Alex.
Hello, everybody. Thank you, Jenny. My name is Alex Ylenberger. I'm taking care of the timetables and event schedules. Like you can see, this is a little bit just taking a little bit like a screenshot what kind of timetable we have right now. in our pavilion. And this is, of course, the Tuesday that we have over here. As you can see, that there should be everybody's turn in each day. So I hope that you can have time to go through the pavilion program and see that your name and your title and the timing is good for you. And if you need anything regarding this, you can change the infos, and please send those changes to me by mail. And you did see that my mail is the alex.julenberger@itsfinland.fi. It's on the, I think it was on the 3rd place. And then you can see that this is the Tuesday, and then we have a Wednesday program over here. And I hope that you can go and put all the information you needed here. Yes, thank you for the link. I was just about to put it in, so I can also show you quickly, share my screen, that this is the page that you can go into, that the link is at the chat, that you see what is going on our booth. And as you see, the light green color in this program over here at our pavilion is the CIS sessions that are taken out in, not in our pavilion, but in specific location. And then there is a link to the CIS session. Only we pick up those CIS sessions or other performing sessions that are something related to our pavilion, like Eetu Pillisiivola from VTT is having this number 5 cross-border mobility technology initiatives around the world. And these with the darker green are the main events that is from the ITS Congress itself. And everything without the background color is something that is happening in our own booth. So notice that the opening ceremony in Monday is starting 10:30 and it ends 12:30. And after this opening ceremony, the Congress pavilion is open for everybody. Before this, there should be not be entering at the event place from the exhibitors. So please notice that one, that after opening ceremony you can get in. And then we have a Tuesday, and as I show you, here is the timetable and everything is here to see. And please go through your own timetable, and when your turn is, we're going to start always at this certain time, and we have a 1-hour time slot to go through these presentations, and each presentation maximum takes something like 7 minutes. So please try to stay at that 7 minutes when you are presenting your performing your stuff. And please go through, as I say, this, and that's about it that I have. If there is anything that you need to know or like to ask about the program, please get involved and send me an email. So I think that my slides that were here was only about the program that is related to the pitching sessions.
Yes.
So like
and if
here,
you want
so
to,
we can continue.
Yeah, no, that's great, Alex. And if someone wants to see the full program of the special interest sessions, they are on the article website. So maybe you can add also
Yes.
the link to ITS World Congress webpage.
Yes, I would pass that one to the. Yes, I will do that.
That's brilliant. And the thing is that if you're wanting to add another session to the partners that are joining us on the Nordic Plus Pavilion, and if there's someone saying, oh, oops, I need to change something, please don't hesitate to contact Alex. He will do an immediate change and add you to it. I will go through the one pitching sessions alphabetically. We're not 100% sure that everyone's here, but I just hold on to a second and give you the chance to act, and if you want to present. Yes, Marco, you had a chat on there, but that was clarified because the special interest, as Alex said, is not part of the Nordic Pavilion, but we want to showcase the Nordic special interest sessions, the CIS, due to the fact that there are several people from the pavilion attending them, and they are the paid ones from Ertico. So you're right about that. Okay, I just move ahead with Adventum Tech if they are here. So please, the floor is yours, and then you have the 1 minute maximum, and then we move to next one. So is anyone here from Adventum Tech? Yes, please.
We in Adventum Tech are developing real-time monitoring solutions to monitor superstructures. That in the long run gives us new data on understanding how the structure is behaving, such as bridges, tunnels, also other viable and critical infrastructure components for railway, aviation, ships. In the long run, it delivers new knowledge that allows us to optimize the designs, reduce the CO2 footprint, and thus also strengthening and enhancing the safety on site while constructing the infrastructure piece and also during the operational. That's our short pitch. Now off to go.
Thank you, Nick. That was very good. We will send me the updated version, and we will have a new one.
Yes, and I also saw as other did, we'll also add picture, and basically we'll edit this one pager.
Good. Zero Hero, please.
Hey, hi guys. This is Saitesh from Zero Hero. I hope I'm audible to you.
Yes, you're audible. Very well.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. I'll just take you through 1 minute what Zero Hero is all about. Zero Hero is a tool to measure, act, and offset Scope 3 emissions while recognizing and rewarding every action in a journey towards sustainability. Okay. Zero Hero majorly works on how daily activities impact climate change and also sustainability, and also we work on climate awareness and literacy. At the same time, emission tracking for individuals and our consumers, for that matter. This is our very specific area in a Scope 3 that we are targeting. And yes, now currently we are working with few organizations in Finland, India, and also we are in talks with UAE's oil giant ADNOC. That's all, a simple one-liner about us.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Look forward to meeting you in Dubai. Thank you. Then we have Forum Virum from Helsinki. Or is it?
Hello.
Hello.
This is Juha Kostiainen from the city of Helsinki, or more specifically from the business Helsinki, and representing the Mobility Lab Helsinki, which is our test bed for smart mobility, where the idea is that we are developing the city itself as a test bed, a place for companies and other developers to experiment with and pilot their new solutions in the real urban setting with the real users. Particularly related to digital twins for mobility and other data-driven solutions, but also basically anything under the sun related to smart mobility. Thanks.
Excellent. Thank you so much for that. Connect.
Hello, can you understand me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I'm Mark from Connect. We are ITS Netherlands. And we are very happy that we can cooperate this year with the Nordic Plus. We have already a long existing relationship with the Nordic Plus, so we feel family with all the Nordic Plus people. Connect is a network organization, just like ITS Finland and ITS Norway, etc. And besides our network in mobility, we also do a lot of things in logistics, like a lot of programs for our government. We have a worldwide lean and green organization running at this moment, and we are starting up operations in Brussels to get some calls for our members. And this year we are with our 3 members, Technolution, Trip Service and TNO, joining the booth in Dubai. So we are looking forward to meeting you all. And we is Marije and me. So see you in 2 weeks.
Thank you. Edeva.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Great. So I'm Karin. I work for Edeva. It's a Linköping company from Sweden. And we work within sustainable smart traffic safety. We have an active speed bump that is only a speed bump if you speed. And we also work with data-driven decision basis, like we collect data so that the city can make data-driven decisions regarding mobility.
Excellent. And
So
thank
that's
you
it.
so much. Thank you. Then we have Tommy and Fanaps. Are you here?
Yeah, hi. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Good to meet you all. Yeah, I'm from Latvia, from Riga company, Fanaps, and we are in partnership with the company Tommy. And yes, what we do, we offer our unique, innovative, and attractive design and smart stands that in the city and promote interactions. Yeah, and also it is built on a hardware platform designed and developed to withstand harsh weather conditions, vandalism, and ensuring duration and resistance. Yeah, it's all smart city. Okay, guys, I would love to meet you in 2 weeks, and let's talk around afterwards.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And then we have the Finnish Meteorological Institute. Oh, so Alex hasn't allowed he hasn't allowed the cameras, but is someone from the Finnish Meteorological Institute here? Okay, then I move on. FinTraffic. If FinTraffic here, and I will continue. Hike, is Hike here? Okay, moving on. That's us, ITS Norway. I've told you already a little bit about us, and we're very much also focusing on the maritime sector. So we have the Norwegian Coastal Guard and Hike with us, and also looking forward to talk to you about EU projects, for instance. Then we have Lahti, green electrification of a mobility cluster. Okay, LMT Innovations.
Hello, this is Andra from LMT Innovations.
Hello.
So we will be joining the Nordic Plus Pavilion with our transport monitoring platform solution that is AI and machine learning solution that measures the statistics and analytics through mobile data. And also it covers the offense reporting and enforcement, bus lane monitoring, and different kind of traffic management solutions. So very looking forward to meeting you all. Thank you.
Thank you. WTW or Linefare?
My name is Nis Keller. Can you hear me correctly?
Yes.
Perfect. We are Linefare is a part of BTVAS, a tech company from Trondheim, Norway. And we are consisting of a group of enthusiasts or nerds, if you will, who loves tech. And our ambition is to make our and others' everyday lives simpler. So Linefare is a ticketing and administration system whose main purpose is to optimize public transporting services and improve the experience for both passengers and operators. Our vision has always been to work every day to continue transforming the way we travel in the future. So we're looking forward to meet you guys in Dubai. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Nordeon? Okay, is someone from Nordeon here? Nordic Innovation?
Hello, this is Nina
Hello.
from Nordic Innovation. I'll be in Dubai together with my colleague Hege. And we are, as Nordic Innovation, part of the Nordic Council of Ministers, and our role is to promote and enable Nordic collaboration and joint innovation in sustainable mobility and smart connectivity. We have a new program period and a new budget coming up from 2025, so we'd like to discuss with you ideas for new projects and new partnerships. So looking forward to that very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nina. Park Charge Pay?
They can't participate today. They're at the Berlin, I think, in some kind of congress.
Q-Free, I think we're missing a picture here, but Q-Free? Okay, then moving on. Remoted?
Now I have the mic on. Q-Free.
Oh, you there? Okay, then we're moving on.
Yeah. Q-Free is very delighted to be part of the Nordic Plus Pavilion one more time, this time in Dubai. Q-Free is a Norwegian company with a main headquarters in Trondheim. We will present our solutions for road user charging and DSRC tag-based, camera-based tolling, way in motion, and other solutions for traffic optimization and traffic management. And we will update the one-pager with a picture.
I think you did, and there must be something on the transfer side, but we'll look into that. So we're sorry about that. Thank you. Now remoted. Okay, moving on. Scan AI.
Hi, this is Juha. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Great. This is Juha Rytkönen from Scanway. We are a Finnish company offering AI-powered infra maintenance system. We offer breakthrough sales system, AI analysis, and predictive planning. Our digital assisted solutions enable efficient road monitoring and maintenance for customers of all sizes. AI-powered predictive road maintenance increase safety, create savings, and enable transparency in infra maintenance. Thank you.
Thank you. Sitowise?
Yes. Hello. You hear me and see me, I guess. So my name is Ville Kilpiö from Sitowise. We are a Finnish design and consulting company offering services for built environment, and also we have some digital solutions. And many of those solutions are maybe more static data related, but I'm interested about finding new ways to utilize traffic data in our everyday planning with the cities and municipalities. And I already saw quite many nice solutions that you introduced. So I'm really excited to have a more detailed conversation in Dubai, and maybe we can find some cooperation possibilities.
Thank you so much, Ville. Looking forward to see you again.
Yes.
Tampere, City of Tampere.
Hello, my name is Mika Kulmala, City of Tampere, Project Manager. We are authorities, and very interesting to discuss you all kind of things related to traffic management and ideas we have a quite long history with developing traffic data, utilizing traffic data, and for example,
we lost you? Now I can't hear you, so we lost you. But City of Tampere will be present, and we're very much looking forward to that. Technolution.
Hey, good morning. I'm Job Spolstra, Innovation Manager on behalf of Technolution. Very excited to be a part of the Nordic Plus Pavilion again, this time through our membership at Connect, indeed. We're an IT company born in the Netherlands, best known for our traffic management platform that we provide for traffic management centers across the Netherlands and active systems in several Scandinavian cities as well, such as Copenhagen, Stockholm, Gothenburg, Oslo. We're happy to discuss business and the latest on traffic management in our ecosystem and at the pavilion, and of course also several ongoing and new innovation projects such as the MODI project, which once started at the Nordic Plus Pavilion in Hamburg. So very much excited to redo that opportunity again and build some new initiatives here. Thanks for having us.
Thank you. TNO.
Good morning. My name is Bart with TNO. Happy to join you guys on the Nordic Plus Pavilion this year. We will be showing Urban Strategy, which is our predictive digital twin that actually allows cities to simulate and to play what-if scenarios for very large and complex scenarios for entire cities or regions. We will be showing it live. Urban Strategy is actually capable of running scenarios like 1,000 times faster than current technology, and that actually is very interesting for these large city scenarios that are playing in mobility, in noise, and in air quality, for instance. So happy to join you, and looking forward to see you all in Dubai.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Trafsys.
Hello, and thank you. So Trafsys is a Norwegian supplier of ITS solution and a system integrator. We're also present in Sweden with ambition to expand even further in the Nordic countries. In Dubai, we are showcasing two of our self-developments. Firstly, our road monitoring system, TrafSense, which enables tracking of single vehicles meter by meter, second by second, and detecting incidents like stop vehicles, wrong way drivers, and queue formation. Secondly, we are also giving a presentation on our psychoacoustic tunnel evacuation system developed to support the principle of self-rescue. Both of these are quite involved systems, so then they deserve more than 1 minute, so we're looking forward to continue these discussions with you in Dubai. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Triple sign. Is anyone from Triple Sign here? If not, I will move forward. Trip Service.
Yes, good morning, everyone. Jürgen here from Trip Service, a company from the Netherlands. We're looking forward to see you all in Dubai in about 2 weeks. Trip Service is a company. We are an intermediary between the government and service providers. So we provide the right data to the service providers, for example, Google Maps and Waze. So we're looking forward to discuss with all the visitors and also with you, of course, about digital traffic management and behavioral influence with traffic. Also collaboration with navigation systems and the advances of RTGI. And of course, if you see an error in Google Maps or any other navigation system, please let us know and we will fix it. See you in about 2 weeks.
Thank you so much. That was very good. VIA. Do we have anyone from the VIA cluster? If not, Helen, if you're not here, or Marie, I will move on. VTT.
Hi, Markku here.
Hey, Markku.
Last but not least, or second to last. So happy to join the Nordic Plus companies here. Everybody has fantastic products and solutions, and as one of the largest applied research organizations in Europe, similar to TNO, come and talk to us about all kinds of challenges and opportunities that are going a bit beyond the existing solution. As our brand slogan states, we go beyond the obvious. So we have selected 3 focus topics here, as mentioned on the slide, but we are working across all topics around transport and mobility. Great to see you all in Dubai.
Thank you so much. If we missed any one of you, okay, Mia is here, then I will go back one step. So we will give Helen a chance to open her mic.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, good. I have some issues with my microphone. We are here really happy to be part of the Nordic Plus Pavilion again. Looking forward to see you all. WIA is the Norwegian Innovation Cluster for Transport Infrastructure. So what we do is network activities, building innovation projects, and working on safe, smart, and sustainable transport infrastructure. With us to Dubai, we will bring our new virtual reality tunnel, or tunnels basically. We'll just bring one to Dubai because we will be working offline, but we've been building a app with the Norwegian Road Data Bank, NVDB, Bouvet, and cluster members, where we are able to generate all tunnels in Norway as digital models, both on laptop or on a computer and also in virtual reality, based on the open information, open data sources in the Norwegian Road Data Bank. So we'll bring the tunnel with us, and it will be possible to try that during our stay in Dubai, because I'll have it at the pavilion. So if you want to go walk in a Norwegian tunnel in virtual reality, that will be possible.
Excellent. Thank you, Helen. We look forward to that. I see that Esa from Tietoevry has his hand up, so I'm kind of eagerly looking at Alex to see if you have Tietoevry's slide as well added. Alex?
I think I haven't received Vesa's, but of course Vesa can. I don't. Can you Esa introduce yourself? Yes.
Yeah. Probably my one slider is missing. It's my fault, not yours. But nice to meet you all, and nice to meet you in Dubai in a couple of weeks as well. Shortly, Tietoevry, we are a global digital engineering company working widely in the mobility sector and in the Dubai. We are focusing on talking about the utilization of AI and large language models in the sector of mobility and connections with video streams, how to get results fast in the video streams from the traffic or depot or whatever mobility hub you have, harbor, for example, and then how that connects with the privacy issues and concerns, and also the bandwidth concerns with the 5G, 6G, and everything interesting on that topic. So let's have great discussions in a couple of weeks.
Excellent, Esa. Thank you so much. The ones that follow these one-pager presentations, not everyone was presenting, but we will obviously hear them and see them in Dubai, is that together we form actually quite a good basis to work on smart, secure, and not to mention green mobility. So this is excellent news. We have hardware, we have software, we have data, and so we can do this together. Sunny, you have your hand raised.
Yeah, just quickly, because I noticed that also there is a person from Vinga. So if even though your one pager wasn't in this, can you like quickly say hello maybe? Because Vinga is also present at the pavilion.
Okay, I can say hi, like you say. Yeah, I will be there as a backup person, chair of the Vinga, and we will update one pager also. So let's see there.
Excellent. Thank you so much. So the ones that still want to update their own one-pagers, and please send them to us because we have good time. This was an excellent rehearsal. What we will do is when we have the one-pagers in Dubai, they will be in one file like this, and we will go through them alphabetically. So if you have objections to our alphabetical order or you need to change them, then let us know, and we can still do the final changes. It was a good rehearsal. I'm sorry about the technical issues. We will work on that. We will also work on having the one-pagers in a good fit, that they look nice. So as I said, if you want to make changes, any question you have, don't hesitate to reach out. And I'll end with seeing you in Dubai. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. See you.